everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Crafty Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today we are going to be starting the new project that is being hosted and is designed by Susanna from Vintage Blend Studio, and this is her year-long project, and it's the calendar months. So it's all going to be slow stitching and embroidery and embellished and decorated. So each month is a page that's been drawn and designed by Susanna, and we're going to turn it into a beautiful piece of slow stitched embroidery. So these are all of the pages that we're going to be doing each month. And then what I've thought I will do is, I'm still trying to nut it out in my head how I'm going to display it, but if I make the start and then just do the blocks, and whether I do a book or a wall hanging, or I haven't quite figured that bit out yet. But one other thing that I know I'm going to definitely put in it is a temperature element. So I'm going to do hexagons. Now this is a 3/4 inch hexie, and the idea is I'm going to do one hexie for each day using a temperature range for the high and the low of the day. So the top part will be the high and the bottom part of the hexie will be the low. And this will be either, I don't know how I'm going to do that bit yet. I'm still thinking about that. But what I've done is I've made a planner to record. Let me zoom you down a bit. To record all the details. So January the 1st I write the high and the low, and that's the same throughout the whole page. So this is going to be my temperature range. There's 5 degrees, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, well, 6 degrees. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colours for my hexagons. So yes, that's going to be that part. Whether I do them in a flower, because there are 7 hexies in a hexie flower 7 days a week, and then I thought I could use this. I was supposed to use this in my rainbow lookbook, but I haven't even got around to it yet. So I thought I'd use this as my colour palette, my swatches for the hexagons. And I think there'll be enough fabric. I'm not 100% sure. If not, I can just pull other bits and pieces from my stash. So I thought I would use that. So these are the hexies that I used to make this one. I had to have a go at it to see how it worked, and so I'm happy with that. But then I got this yesterday from work, and it's a template set. So, and this has got a 1/2 inch hexie in it. So the 1/2 inch hexie being smaller may be a better option for this project. So I'm going to make up one of those to see how that works. But that is the idea that I've got at the moment for this project. Right, let me zoom you back there. Oh, wrong way. Back that way. So yes, I've got this little tin too that I bought ages ago, but I think it'll be good to store all my, how's that? Oh, it's just stuck on the top there. Just put those in for this project. Little tin, right, that's rubbish. I'll put that back around there. Once I take them out of the plastic. So that is my idea for that. So yes, each month we will be doing a different page. Susanna's doing it. Corinne from To Be Loved Treasures by Corinne is doing it. So you can follow both of their channels, especially you know, because we're all doing the same thing. It's going to be a fun project for the year, seeing everybody's ideas and yeah, just getting inspired and creating something beautiful. So that is my take on what I'm going to be doing for this. So stay tuned, we will be filming bits of progress and powering through the year. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.